Hello students, NTA has started the application process for Sainik School Entrance Exam 2023. Boys and girls can apply for class 6th admission, whereas class 9 admission form can be filled only by boys. Let us learn how to apply for the same. The whole application process can be summarized into 3 steps. First step is online registration, second step is application form filling, and third step is examination fee payment. Let us now learn the steps to fill Sainik School application form. First of all, open the website aissee.nta.nic.in. Scroll down and click on AISSEE 2023 application form link and a new page will appear on the screen. Now click on new registration. Read all the instructions carefully and tick the checkbox of disclaimer. Now click on the button which says click here to proceed and the registration form will be displayed on the screen. Fill the registration form with all the asked information like personal details, present address details, permanent address details, etc. Set a 8 to 13 character long password and enter the security pin as shown on the screen. Now tick each checkbox if all details have been entered correctly, or else click on edit registration form option. After carefully checking the details, tick the I agree checkbox given at the bottom of the page and click on submit and send OTP option. Now enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number and finally submit the registration form. This completes the step 1 of the Sainik School application process. After registration, an application number will be generated and sent on the registered mobile number and email address. Now students will have to log into the dashboard by using their application number and the password. After logging in, students will have to click on the complete application form and it will lead to a new page. Now enter the students' personal details, Aadhaar details, exam and center details, qualification details and other additional details. Thereafter, students will have to upload their documents and click on the submit option. It will lead to a page where students will have to review and verify their details carefully. If all details are correct, then tick all the options given in the checklist to verify the details. Click on the I agree checkbox and then click on the option of final submission of application to complete the step 2 of application process. Then click on the pay examination fee option and select the mode of payment as online payment. Now click on proceed for payment option and pay the fee by selecting one of the provided options of payment like debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking. After paying the fees, students should have take a printout of the payment receipt for further reference.